Hey, what's going on, everybody? Cole Davis, Regional Sales Manager with Incentive Solar here. And one of the most common questions I get asked today is, why do I still have a bill? Now, today we're going to talk about solar true-up bills and why they range from anywhere from $500 all the way up to $5,000 for some solar clients. Now, this can be because, one, you didn't size your system correctly. Two, you might have increased your electrical consumption by adding an EV, increasing your AC and heating consumption. There's many factors that go into play here. But lucky for you, we have a great solution. It's called the Zero Export System. Yes! It's provided by Enphase, but lucky for you, it doesn't matter if you have Tesla, Solar Edge, any type of inverter you have or existing system you have, this Enphase system will be perfect for you. Perfect for you because you're allowed to add as many solar panels as you need to cover that true-up bill. This is a great alternative because it does not affect your NEM 1 or 2.0 status, and it's a great alternative to adding expensive battery. So stop paying that true-up bill and let us analyze your bill to size your system. You can give us a call at 858-952-0252. Take care and have a great day.